Okay, so I've got 5 minutes to try and take it up a level and to create the burger. So if you want to try and create a simple shape, first of all, I would grab a little bit of inspiration from the internet. So here's the burger that I've grabbed off the internet. And this is something that I've made in a previous class using the shapes inside Google Slides. So again, to get started, I'm going to go Insert and I'm going to select a shape. So the most appropriate shape is going to be the circle tool. To draw an oval, click and drag out. And I'm going to change the color straight away. I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit. So outline, I don't want an outline, so I'm going to make that transparent. And I'm going to select my fill color to be a dark orange. Now, in order to make a quick copy of that, it's worth trying to get used to these shortcuts. Select it, Control-C, Control-V. That is the first part of my bun. And I'm going to select a slightly lighter color and make sure that it is center aligned. So that is the top part of my bun. Now, if I want to adjust it slightly, I can select the ellipse or oval and move up. In order to do the bottom bun, really simple, drag over the two, Control-C, Control-V. So I've got both ovals together. Center align it. So I've got a burger that resembles with those perfect photos that you see in McDonald's. And there is my two buns. So next up, my burger, and I'm going to use an oval again. So rather than go into the oval tool, I'm going to select that one, Control-C, Control-V again to make a copy. And I'm going to pick an appropriate color. And there it is. Now, in order to send that burger to the back, with a mouse, you need to right-click and order send to back, or I can two-finger click on my trackpad, order, and it's going to be send backwards, actually, because I don't want to send it all the way back. So there you go. And I want to bring these two. Actually, I've got my orders mixed up there now. So that one is correct. I need to send these two. So I'm selecting them both by pressing Control, order, and I want to bring those ones to the front. So even I have to think about my order of layers quite often, and it's trial and error. So that is the basic layout for creating my burger. Not absolutely brilliant, but it's a starting point. So next up, I'm going to make my cheese, and I'm going to select a rounded edge rectangle. So I'm going to draw that. And it'll probably default to the last color that I've chosen. No, it defaults to gray. So I'm going to choose a nice bright yellow, and I'm going to select an outline. Select an outline that is going to be, you guessed it, transparent. So in some cases, you might want to have a shape that's got an outline, but in most cases, I think you don't need it. So I'm going to bring that down and order. So I'm going to send backwards once, and that seems to have done the trick. So I've got my cheese on top on this burger. This is the sort of point that YouTubers would say, write in your comments box below which order you like your burger in. But I'm going to avoid that. So there's my cheese. Now, I've got about a minute left of this video, so I'm going to very quickly try and create the lettuce without doing an awful lot of talking, to see if you can work out what I'm doing. So we're just repeating some of the steps that we've drawn. Outline transparent, fill color green. Now if I Control-C and V, oops, copied the wrong object. So Control-C, Control-V. And then if I do that several times, I can reorder and then bring along my burger. So think about what other ingredients you'd like to add to your burger, and have a look at how maybe it's possible to add these sesame seeds on top of the bun. Have a go. Let me know how you get on.